my pretty people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a nice bucket bag like this one with a mix of African fabric and vinyl fabric. It's also called faux leather, I think. So if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you cannot miss any one of my video. So guys, let's get started with the tutorial. Here is the pattern in centimeters. You can draft it, and when you are done, and come down here by 5 centimeters, then trace 2 lines like this, and the width will be 3 centimeters, and this part will be on fold. Fold the fabric into 2 and place the pattern like this and cut everything out. Make sure that the wrong side of the fabric is facing you. Do the same with the lining and the interfacing. Now we have 3 pieces: the main fabric, the lining and the interfacing. Now take the main fabric and iron it with the interfacing. Now take the lining with the coupon of this fabric and we are going to make an inside pocket. The size depends on each other. Fold that piece of fabric like this, right side to right side, and stitch there. Turn it over like this and top stitch here. Now take the lining, the right side facing you, and take this pocket. You place it in the middle like this. You fold it here, and we are going to top stitch here like that. You can use any fabric of your choice for this part. For me, I use vinyl. I cut 2 straps like this. They are 4 centimeters large, and I'm going to fold it so this way, like that. And I'm going to top stitch here. I will use zigzag stitched. This is how it looks like. Now take the main fabric and mark this part. I will use it to custom a drawstring. Repeat the process for the other side too. Now that I'm done, I will try to find the middle part of this. Just find the middle part and then divide both sides by 2 again. This is how it should look like. I hope you can understand because I don't know how to explain here. Then take those straps we already made, I hope you still remember, and cut them in many pieces at about 5 centimeters each. And you should have 8 pieces like this, 8 pieces from 5 centimeters. And you take each pieces, you pin it this way, and top stitched everywhere. When you are done, just turn it over like this, fold it, pin it, and go and top stitch again. If you have an excess of fabric, just cut everything out like this. I did the same with the other side. Now fold it like this pin it here and stitched both sides. Repeat the same thing with the lining and leave about 5 centimeters free. Now take the side bottom, pin it and stitch it. After doing that, use again the zigzag stitch. Do that everywhere. Now turn the main bag on the right side and let the lining at the wrong side. Put the bag, the main bag, into the lining like this and pin all around, as you can see on the video. And stitched everywhere, everything. Then turn it over like this. This is how it looks like. I'm going to top stitch here at about 0.5 centimeters. Now I'm done. Put everything in order and pin all around here. And top stitched again. For the shoulder strap, I took 1 meter long and 10 centimeters large. And I fold it like this and zigzag stitched. The next step is on the side seam, just place it like this. Watch what I'm doing. Pin it, go and stitched, and do the same here. Then do like this and stitch everything this way. The next step is I'm going to customize string. I took about 1 meter. My fabric is also 1 meter long and 4 centimeters large. I put the string inside the fabric like this. Just watch what I'm doing, please. Take it easy, take your time and go and sew everything. I also custom the end part to make it more beautiful. Just be creative. Now we are done, almost done. I had some fabric left, so just do like this. Top stitch here. And then put it this way and go and top stitch again. So guys, this is the end result. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I would like to read from you. And share this video with everybody you know. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay creative, and God bless you. I will see you next time. Bisous, bye bye.